This is a video about solving an A-level problem. So we're gonna look at the question number 9, which is the function f is defined by f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 2 for x is less than or equals to minus 1. And how to find out the range of f. So one of the easiest way to do this is to draw the function onto the graph so we can see the values of x and y, etc. So here is a function, a quadratic function. So we can draw it on the graph like this. Here is a function of minus x squared, okay, minus x squared. So now we can take 3 multiply with this function. So we will stretch this function vertically. 3 here, and we stretch vertically, and would be like this. And the next one is we have to plus 2 to this function. So in order to plus 2, we move this function 2 units to the top, upward. So that would be this one. Okay, so this is not a correct graph for this function, but it would be very intuitive for us to draw a function on the graph, to plot it, and then we can easily find out the range of f depends on the position of the graph on this. So for x is equals or less than minus 1. So we have minus 1 is here. This is minus 1. And the value of y will change from this position to the very negative infinity. So we have to find out the value of the function at x equals minus 1. And that would be the point that is very important in the process of finding the range of f. So f at minus 1 equals 3 minus 3 times minus 1 squared plus 2, and this one equals how about this 1 minus 3, and we have this one is negative 1. So that would be the range of f is from negative infinity to minus 1. And I think graph plays a very important role in finding the range of f. So you should remember the shape of the quadratic equation. Okay, the next one, the question B, find an expression for the inverse of f of x. In order to find out the inverse of a function, first of all we need to write we need to rewrite the function as something like this: y equals negative 3x squared plus 2, and we have to rewrite it. We have to change x and y, change the position of x and y, or we would swap the position between them. So that would be x equals negative 3y squared plus 2. And now all we have to do is to make y the subject. So we have minus 3y squared plus x minus 2. And y squared equals x minus 2 over negative 3. Or we can rewrite it as 2 minus x over 3. So the denominator would be the positive number. And here we have two options, that is y equals plus or minus square root of 2 minus x over 3, because the range of f is from negative infinity to minus 1. So every value of y in this range would be satisfy the condition that 2 minus x would greater than or equal to 0. So this one would be the positive number. So we can take the square root of that one. And here we have y equal this, and this would be the function, the inverse function of the f of x. So we can rewrite this as f reverse equals plus or minus square root of 2 minus x over 3. Thanks for watching.